Oh, this is Joyce. Guys, I have a dilemma. I am in the process, and I'm going to do a craft room tour before and after, but I have a major dilemma going on right now. I have been trying to figure out how to get this room organized and to make it look less cluttered, and guys, it is a hot mess. So one of the things I have is I make a lot of cards and albums, and storage is for these things is such a major production because I've got cards in like this little milk crate, and I had them in this. I started pulling them out before I started this video, but this thing was full of cards and what have you, and then I have this huge basket, and then I also have a card carrier. You know, you buy them in the store, they got the slots and what have you, and it can only hold so many. I have one of these. I don't have room on the desk to show that, but I have got to get my cards organized because, like I said, every week I'm making some type of cards. You know, I mail out a lot of cards, but I have a lot of cards that are just sitting in these containers, and these containers take up valuable real estate on top of my storage units and what have you. I want to definitely make a change. I just can't have all of these different little bitty containers laying around. Like over here I have a basket that's about 13 by 12, and it's full of cards and things, and like I say, that card box down there. So how do you store your cards where you can easily get to them, know what you got, divide, you know, make divisions in your container? I would like to have one space where I keep my cards and have them organized within that particular space. Okay, I'm going to move this out the way and show you the basket that I really would like to use. This is a basket that I think that I got at Tuesday Morning. It is, like I said, it's about 13 by 12, and I really want to use this and just have one space. But how do I make divisions? Because I have a lot of birthday cards, I have a lot of thank yous and get wells. It's not so many get wells, but I need to have those on hand. Sympathy cards, cards that I have made for challenges like this one. This is grateful, so you can use that. That would be a thank you card. Then I have my 3x3 cards, and then I made all these fall cards. So I would just use these for thinking of you and stuff. Cards are gorgeous. I know they're gorgeous, you know. So my thing is I need some help on how to go about trying to organize everything into this one container and making them easily accessible. So in the box below, I would love for you to tell me how you organize your cards. Because look, these are some I recently made birthday cards. Honey, my girls are going to love these once I send them to them, but I need to be able to get to them. What can I use in here to use as dividers and then do like a label for each and say birthday, sympathy, get well, whatever, any occasion. But I just need one space because I can never find anything I'm looking for at this rate. Honestly, it is a hot mess. It is so bad. But I have all these pretty cards in here, and I just can't. And then don't forget the albums that I've made over the years. I told my kids that they really need to like this album here. How pretty is that? And has flips. And guys, I got to get it organized because I got several pieces of furniture I'll be moving out here, but I'm going to do the video, but this has to be taken care of. Just taking these containers off of the top just opened up the space. Yeah, I need some help, guys. I need some help. So if you have any suggestions, I would truly appreciate it. But yeah, so I'm going to be working on this. I'm going to be going through all the cards that I have, separating them out into you know what they are. If it's birthday, I'm going to have all the birthdays together. If it's sympathy or thank yous or thinking of yous, I'm going to separate all these containers and put all of the cards together that go together. And then I'm going to need dividers. Anyway, help. Please help me. So that is my goal, and this is one of those things that I would like to really get done over the weekend. But guys, please, if you have any suggestions, I make 3x3 cards and then I barely use them. I mean, they are so cute. So, I mean, yeah, I need your help, guys. I need it, and I need it quickly, okay? I got 4x4 cards. I mean, I just have all kinds of cards because this is what I do. This is what I love to do, but I need to be using all of them. So give me some suggestions in the box below, and I will try to utilize all of your suggestions and anything you got to give. I'm just like, I'm seriously, I'm just at a loss. And to be honest, this isn't even all of them. I got more cards somewhere, and I just need to find everything and get them all out and then start organizing. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to do this quick video. Like, I give away a lot of cards in sets like these. I really want to keep them. But I think I'm going to send my girlfriend some of these after I do the insides, because I don't think I did the insides on these. I'm just going to bag some of them up and send them to my girlfriend. I send her stuff about 2 or 3 times a year. She lives in Florida, but she does a lot of cards. Then I have my girlfriend here who she does a lot of cards. My boss, she's the minister's wife, and she does a lot of cards. So I'm always giving away cards, but I swear, the more I give away, the more I create. So anyway, guys, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the box below. I am starting to ramble, and I really want to get this video uploaded and start organizing my cards. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.